what? It's Bonnie. I am back today with kind of 80s hair. I used my barrel iron instead of my flat iron, so I'm doing the 80s hair. I've got purple, which reminds me of the 80s. Check it out. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust Collection. I got 4 items from the Bloodlust Collection that I want to show you. First of all, I commend Jeffree Star Cosmetics for shipping so quickly. I ordered this on Friday, the 21st. It is 5 days later, and I have this in my hand, and I'm in Ohio, so it's not like it had quite a distance to go, so I was super impressed. The packaging on this is like first rate. I've ordered a lot of makeup online. You just saw the boxy pop-up that I got in the envelope. This was very well packed. It came with a lot of tissue paper and purple bubble wrap. I'm like, I gotta save that. Very well packed. And I just want to show you, this is so impressive when you take it out of the box. This thing is like as big as my head. This palette is absolutely huge, gorgeous. You can see it comes in a purple box here. And then when you open the box, check it out, check it out, check it out. You have the gorgeous velvet makeup case inside. And it does come with this protective, I don't know what this is, like an egg crate thing around it, which I thought was really neat because, like, a lot of times you do get breakage from, shipping. And I'll have to say that this was very well packed. Check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. It feels so soft and pretty. It's got the Jeffree Star Crown Bloodlust logo on here. And then the back you can see here. But look at how gorgeous this palette is. Really pretty. This is like the prettiest palette I own. Check out the clasp here. It is like a jewelry box. And then you pull up the clasp and check it out. There is a protective sheet over the shadows, and this is a really nice protective sheet too. This isn't like a little flimsy one. This one's really nice. I'm gonna cover up the mirror here. I did get a little marketing pamphlet here, a little card. I'm just gonna cover up my mirror so I don't blind anyone. But check it out. Look at the colors in this palette. Holy moly, it is gorgeous in person. It really, really is. I am super impressed. I know a lot of people on first impression were saying that they wish it had been more like goth, a little bit more dark purples, but I'm actually kind of liking some of the light shades. So I have green eyes. I'm actually, like I said, wearing the Mini Breaker Bite Me shade right now. And that was kind of my first intro to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows. And I am over 50. And I have a hard time with eyeshadow. I am not young. And when you get older, your skin changes. Your eyes get a little bit, the skin gets thinner on your lids. You get a little bit of sinking. Oh my gosh, I actually got one of the Jeffree Star concealers that I want to try, under eye concealer. I try that in every brand. I am a concealer junkie. I have to have all different concealers. I've been using IT Cosmetics for a while, but they kind of fell out of grace with me a little bit. I'm not liking lately what it's been doing, but I absolutely have been loving this Jeffree Star eyeshadow. For whatever reason, it makes my eyes pop, even though I don't have the youngest eyes. So, as I'm looking through this, the only one that probably I wouldn't wear is the Serpent, which is green. The other, if my mother's like, I like that. My mother loves green. She can have the green one. But I'm just going to swatch a couple of these right here real quick. Look at that, how pigmented this is, though. And, pigment is important when you're older. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Because what'll happen, I was wearing IT Cosmetics for a while, but I was noticing it was making my skin look kind of creepy, and I didn't like that. Because like I said, when you get older, skin gets a little thinner. So this shade, this one is called Blood Queen. That one is absolutely gorgeous. I'm also loving this one called Take the Crown. These are so creamy. Look at the shine on this one. I like metallics. It's funny. They say if you're, older, a lot of people, you can't wear metallics. I always wear metallics. I wear lipstick with glitter in it. I wear highlighter. I wear everything like glittery metallic. I will do my makeup up in this palette too to show you guys. That is gorgeous. Look at those shades. Holy moly. I am also liking the Pink Magic, which is super glittery. Look at this on my finger. The three of those, you can tell. Look at that, how much more sparkly this end one is. But I'm just going to put this on my arm. These are absolutely gorgeous shades. I am super impressed with this palette. Like I said, what I will be doing is, I'll be doing up my makeup and I will show you. I don't know if I can do it on camera. I have a hard time doing my makeup on camera. I did get a selfie light to try it, but because I can't see as well. As a 30-year-old, sometimes it's hard, so I have to do my makeup and then I'll show you. This other one, it's called Bleeding Heart. It's kind of red. I don't know if I'd wear that one, but I really love this shade called Executioner. Look at this. Oh my gosh, is that not gorgeous? You know what I would do with this? I like to line my eyes, not with a liner. I use eyeshadow and I use a brush. So check out this Executioner shade. It's all sparkly, super pretty. Let's see if I have a free finger here. Let me swatch one more. Which one should I swatch, you guys? Oh, Betrayal. I really like this Betrayal. Another purple one. There are a lot of beautiful purples in here. Look at this. These are absolutely gorgeous and they feel so creamy. Oh my gosh. So that is the palette. Comes with a really large mirror, and the mirror has a plastic protector on it. It's funny. I am neurotic about taking these off. I always take the plastic protector off of my mirror. But I've noticed that Jeffree Star mirrors, their cosmetics, they do have a really nice quality mirror. And like I said, this is like a jewelry clasp, so that's kind of nice there. Jeffree Star Cosmetics paper. So what else did I get? Check it out. I did get 2 of the glosses, you guys. I wanted all 5, but I didn't want to pay... I think they were like $18 each. I didn't want to like pay $100 for 5 lip glosses at the moment, but I did get 2 of them. These are the collector's edition with the purple. I did get Sorcery. I swear these are so Harry Potter-ish to me. I love it. Oops, I gotta take it out the other side. These are sealed. Made in the USA, by the way. Check it out. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It's got like a... Oh wow, this is so pretty, you guys. All of his glosses smell like creme brulee. I mean, they smell amazing. And this, oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. You can't really see it on my hand. It doesn't do it justice. I'm going to try and put this on my lips a little bit here. Look at that. It just like shined everything right up there. I don't usually wear, like, I never did like the liquid velour as much because it's more matte. I love a good gloss. I usually wear lipstick and then I wear a gloss on my lips. You know, I love the Bath & Body Works lip balm. These are amazing though. Check it out. This is like a pinkish, so pretty. And then I also got, what did I get? I got Wizard Glass, which I know everyone, this one got sold out. Oh my gosh, this one is gorgeous. Check this one out, how pretty this is. This one is called Wizard Glass, and look at this. This is kind of like a, oh wow, that is so pretty. You can see that on my hand a little bit. It looks odd on camera, but it's kind of like a, almost like a mauve-y brown. And it's funny because I love raisin shades. Like I wear Urban Decay Vice, an Amulet. I swear, this just does wonders for my 50-year-old lips. Because as you get older, again, your lips get a little dried out, you know. But these are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm so excited that I got these. I love the purple tops on these. And then the final thing I got was just an indulgence item. I did get the mirror for the Bloodlust collection. I'm like, you know what? I'm splurging on the mirror. I swear, this reminds me. I'm like Queen of the Girl Geek, so I'm like, I need a crown. So, oh wow, that lip gloss looks amazing. I'm looking in the mirror. It does look really good, you guys. So anyway, here is the mirror. I won't blind you by turning it around. I'll have to say, though, these are really good quality mirrors. I just got rid of a makeup mirror that I had that was starting to get a little bit like cloudy and weird, and I've been using the one I got for Valentine's Day, and I'm like, you know what? The clarity on these mirrors is amazing. So I was like, I really like how wide this one is. So I'm super excited to have another mirror. This is the most beautiful palette I currently own in my collection. I love the art. I love collecting unusual palettes. I've got a whole bunch. I've actually got the Alice in Wonderland collection that Urban Decay had come out with. I love getting like ColourPop. I missed out on the Sailor Moon, but I like getting like these. I like to collect the art in these palettes. I think it had something to do with my 80s upbringing. Remember, and Duran Duran was always into that art stuff. I always thought it was awesome. But anyway, this is definitely one that I'm going to be not only using, but saving as a collectible. There are the shades one more time. Check it out. This is beautiful. Let me know if you got this one, if you plan on getting it. I think this one is, it's either $52 or $54. I can't remember the price that I paid on that. But you know what? I mean, the majority of palettes out there are in that range. And I think this one, we got a lot more in this palette than you usually get in like the $50 range. So let me know what you think. I'm just going to enjoy my lip gloss here. So anyway, oh, I did order Blue Blood and I got Conspiracy too. So I will be unboxing those, and I got the concealer because I'm really curious to see what the concealer is like. I will be saving the box as a collectible too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.